the FMCG sector. And after inflation data came in yesterday, cooler than a month before period and well below the RBI's upper tolerance of 6%. The rural inflation still continues to be sticky at 9.10%. However, even that data looks a little better than what the rural inflation data and the food inflation data in general has been over the last few cycles. In view of this, it seems that the entire FMCG stock basket today is actually the only sector that seems to be a little bit in the green, barring ITC at this moment, which is in the red. So I want to take your view first on ITC. How do you see the stock?
ITC, not too much of what we used to do earlier. Like we used to take as a defensive space, we used to always take a long bet on the ITC. If I need to check it from the technical perspective, it is exactly at the 200-day moving average right now. 2 days straight, 458 is the level, and right now it has broken that. And the structure for the bank ITC is slightly negative, so I'm slightly cautious. By any chance, let's say today being a weekly close, and if it doesn't sustain about 460 level and all that, so I think this level is going to act as a resistance zone. There can be a further damage of 20 odd points in the ITC. So 440 can be the next level where I will be taking a bet. Slightly cautious, not too optimistic. I won't take a long bet. I will wait for that 120 points of decline, and maybe 440 levels I will review. But it looks slightly cautious to negative bias.
Right. Well, ITC is down about 10% on a year-on-year basis. This morning also, trade is down at about 0.66%, a little more than half a percentage point on ITC this morning. Let's stay with the FMCG sector and look at another Nifty 50 company, which is Nestlé. Brijesh, Nestlé, what are your views, trading strategy for today and in general about the Nestlé India stock?
So Nestle, they're already the stock has seen a very decent correction. It's in the overbought zone. So Nestle can see some trading bounce. 2300, 2400 can be the trading opportunity. One can play for directionally. Still, the stock is at the lower. It's in the downtrend. So it's too early to say whether the stock has formed the bottom or not. Logically, 2100 is a level previously from where the stock has taken the support. So that level yet has to be reached. So definitely there is a small trading bet opportunity, trading kind of a trade setup. But from the positional point of view, I will be little cautious. I won't take the positional bet. Bet can be seen towards the 2300, 2350 level.
500 levels is the view coming in. What about Dabur, Brijesh? I want to quickly, staying with the FMCG pack, I want to talk about Dabur as well. How do you see Dabur performing in trade?
So this 490, 500 is a multi-time frame kind of a support from the even from the monthly point of view. So 500 mark is the multi demand zone. So maybe somebody who is taking to a very long-term view, it's advisable to take some trades, some bets, not too much of aggressive, but then some positions can be made with respect to Dabur, because this is the level from 500 to 600. This is a trading bet for so many couple of months. So one can easily play for that 100.2, and that's in percentage term, it's more than 15-20%. So that opportunity is definitely there, and it's looked like the weekly and the monthly charts are the very deep oversold zone. So some bounce is expected. Dabur can be one safe bet in FMCG space.